will soak the dal with water at least 1 hour. So I will just add the water. This dal is 200 grams of dal. So first of all, we will boil the dal. Now I will add the soaked dal. This is 1 hour already soaked and the dals are already rising up. So it means dals are ready to cook. So this is the dal. I add all. And now I will add the turmeric powder. And I will add the water. I think I need to add a little bit more. Add the water. Then we will boil until dals are becoming soft. Okay, now we will start frying all our ingredients. First of all, we will add like 4 to 5 tablespoons of cooking oil. This little bit more. Once the oil is ready, now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. And I will add all in one time. I will just fry it in the oil. You don't need to fry too long, just 1 to 2 minutes is enough. Once you see the color is turning to the brown. And now I will add the curry leaves and red chillies. So now I will add the curry leaves and red chillies. Okay, after you stay like 1 minute from adding curry leaves and red chili, I will add the sliced onion. Now time to add the vegetables. I have here my favorites: dill fingers, drumstick, eggplant, and I have radish as well, and also carrot. So I will add these 5 vegetables and I will just stir it. For the heat, you will keep only medium to low. Okay, if you think that is enough stirring, then you will cover it and you will cook for 5 minutes. Okay, this is after 5 minutes. I will check it. So, the smell is so good. Now it's the time to add ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste, and same time I will add also tomato. Some people they add tomato puree and boiled tomato, and they make separate boil and they chop it and they use it. For me, I like to use like this chunk of tomato, so I'll use like this. This is my style. So this is my favorite style. Just get it, and we will stir it. We will fry like 2 to 3 minutes. So it's time to add the red chili powder. Then now I will add the SAMBAR powder. This is 1 tablespoon of SAMBAR powder. Then just mix it well until is all the vegetables and spices are mixing well. Alright, then you will add the like 4 to 5 tablespoons of water, and I will cover it and I will cook for like 7 minutes. Add some water. So it's well. You don't want to overcook all the vegetables. It will become very soft and your sambar will be very thick. So I don't want to be like that. So I will just only like 75% cook for the vegetables. So now I will just cover it and I will. Now let's see the dal. Our dal is already soft and I will just mash it by using the wooden spoon and only. And for the sambar, we don't need to use the blender. We don't want to be so that's okay. It's ready to mix with the cooked vegetables. Let's see, now it's already 7 minutes done. So our vegetables are already 75% cooked. So that's enough. And now I will add the 2 tablespoons of salt. And I will add also onion. I will add the sliced onion. This one I will keep it the size. This is later, so I use it. And this is jaggery. This is sweet, just to make the balance for the sambar. So you will taste the sourness, a little bit spicy, and also at the same time a little bit sweetness also you will taste. So the sambar will be very nice and perfect. I will add the ripe tamarind juice. This is ripe tamarind juice. Let's add it. Okay, I will add it all. Just stir it for a while. Just mix all the vegetables and the juices. Okay. So now it's already 3 to 4 minutes after I add in some of the spices and I add the water, tamarind juice. So this is ready to mix with the dal. So the dal is dry, so now I will add the water. Yeah, I will add water and I will bring it to the boil. The dal is already started boiling, so I'm going to add with the cooked vegetables. Add. For the heat, you can just keep it to the low heat only, because now the dal and all our ingredients are already cooked. You just need to combine it. We will just add over. So this is the perfect sambar because it's not very thick and not very runny as all also. So that's very nice. I will just keep it for like 3 to 4 minutes more because we just only add in now. And I will just cover it. I will keep it with the low heat only and I will just wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, now time to check the finishing up. Oof, it's so nice. Yes, this is our perfect sambar. All the vegetables are 90% cooked and the water is not too runny and not too thick. So this is according to my taste. This is the perfect sambar for me. So I will eat with the rice, fried fish, chutney, and pepper. Okay, so let's taste together. So finally, it's time to eat. So today, this is special for me, sambar. I have fried red chilies and I have here achar, which is a mango and chilies pickles, and I also have fried pepper and I have fried fish as well. So I'm going to have my dinner. Bismillah. The curry smell is so nice. The masala, the sambar smell, and curry patta smell is so nice. So according to my taste, nice sambar is the best for me. So guys, if you want to try my recipe, try it at home. And if you want to pair with the fried fish, pepper, red chili and achar, you can try it as well. Thank you so much for watching until to the end. Thank you and see you in the next video.